माफ कीजिएगा, गेंद को उछालने का प्रयास किया, वो चूक गए और निकेत तो बहुत सूझबूझ के साथ, चतुराई के साथ गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। पटकी गेंद थी, बैकफुट पर गए, गेंद को बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ कवर की दिशा में उन्होंने लॉफ्टेड ड्राइव कर दिया।
Team players, captains to the front of the dais. I request the owners also to please come along. We have here the Pro-Chancellor of Nitte University, Professor Dr. M. Shantram Shetty, will formally inaugurate the KPL 2024. May I request Dr. Murli to escort the Pro-Chancellor onto the stage along with the Vice Dean, Dr. Jai Prakash Shetty, and the owners of the teams of the franchises of KPL 2024. Dr. Mablesh Shetty, Shri Kandawar, Dr. Sandeep Rai. Excellent batting and bowling and fielding performances. To inaugurate the program, we had our Pro-Chancellor here. May I just ask him to share a couple of words and to bless this event.
Here to be associated with this great event, the cricket match, the KPL. Today there is an IPL between Bangalore, RCB, Bangalore and the other teams. I feel the enthusiasm here is better than what is in Bangalore today. So it's a very great feeling. It is only in playing grounds like this where fellowship is developed and understanding about it. I congratulate our Murli and Vice Dean and all the team owners. Each one of them is a millionaire by himself. So I hope they will share the millions with the teammates also. And I wish all of you a great success. And it is not to win, but to play the game well. So congratulations. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I was a little late. I was held up with the function. So I apologize for the same.
To the owners of these teams, on behalf of the organizing committee, first may I request Dr. Mablesh Shetty, the owner of Force Forensics. The owner of Rai Riders, Dr. Sandeep Rai, may I ask? The owner of Cardio Kings, Dr. Basaraj. The owners of Raj's Blaster, Dr. Rajiv and Dr. Suraj. The owners of Black Mambas, Praveen Bhatt, Santosh and Chandrasekhar Sorake. And the owner of Vicky Vikings, Vikram Shetty.
It is the brainchild of our Murli and the like-minded people. So we are in the 4th year. We wish many like this Kshema Premier will continue to happen with many participants and many teams. Wish you all the best on behalf of Hegde Medical Academy. And we are celebrating 25 years of Hegde Medical Academy Silver Jubilee celebrations also. So many team players can evolve with this Kshema Premier League. Wish you all the best.
Teams of Rai Riders and Force Forensics to get onto the ground. Thank you, everybody.